Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Blonde Wigs.
Number 5.
Jodor Lace Front Wigs 30 Single Quote Long Wavy Synthetic Wigs. Top quality lace front wig with natural hairline. (130% density, medium brown Swiss lace, average cap size with adjustable straps. Made of high-quality heat-resistant synthetic fiber, natural looking and excellent, which is very suitable for long-term use. Length and color same with the picture. Delivery time 3-5 working days after shipping. Amazon Prime 1-day shipping.
Number 4.
Charisma Fashion Umbrella Blonde Blueless Lace Front Wigs. Half-hand teed lace front wig with lace 2.5 inches parting space in front. Synthetic hair heat resistant up to 160 degrees centigrade, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Length as picture, straight texture, umbre two tones brown roots T12 to blonde, kind reminder. Circumference 22.5 inches stretch medium cap, average cap size, with adjustable straps and 3 combs. What you will get: a Charisma Umbre Blonde Lace Front Wig plus 2 PCS free wig caps.
Number 3.
Another Me Wig Women's Long Big Wavy Hay. Great quality, no chemical and weird smell, only high standard material used. High temperature synthetic hair, silky and glamorous human hair, approximately 65 centimeters, 25.5. Adjustable rose net cap fits most heads, circumference 22.5 inches stretch medium cap. Package includes 1 dark red wig plus 1 free wig cap. Thick enough unable to see the netting. Ultra soft and durable. You can have it permed, dyed and cut. Do your own hairstyle.
Number 2.
Andre Hair Short Bob Lace Front Wigs. Top quality short wavy hair lace front wigs with baby hair natural hairline. Heat-resistant fiber hair up to 160 degrees centigrade, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium brown lace color, average cap size 22-22.5 inch, with adjustable straps and 3 combs easy to take. High quality Swiss lace, strong and soft, never hurt skin. "24 hours online service, after sales service guarantee." If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact me.
Number 1.
Massive and long straight hair pink color lace wigs. 10% human hair plus 90% heat resistant fiber wigs. Soft and smooth heat-resistant synthetic fiber hair up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Lace front wigs 180% density half hand teed. Transparent / light brown lace color. Hair length same as picture, natural hairline and hair looking.